Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add a shadow in Canva. This is canva.com, and first let's create a new design. Just like that, let's go with a YouTube thumbnail template. Now that we have this blank template, let's add a new element to this template. Let's use this image, for example. Adding a shadow in Canva is simple. First, select the element you want to add a shadow for. Click on this edit icon. A new window pops up. Scroll to effects and click on this shadows effect. There are many shadows types you can select from. Let's see the glow shadow. This is the drop, the outline, the curved, page lift, angled, and backdrop. Let's work on this backdrop shadow. After selecting your shadow, before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Canva Essentials online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Canva, basic Canva operations like how to add text, how to add a background, how to add an audio, video, etc. You will also learn how to edit and customize elements in Canva, also advanced text features like how to upload new fonts to Canva, how to rotate a text. You will also learn image editing techniques like how to crop an image, how to flip an image, etc. Plus animation and video editing, creating specific designs, for example, how to make a YouTube thumbnail, team collaboration and exporting, and tips and tricks. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also these other courses available in my university, just go to this link, university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. After selecting your shadow type, you can edit the blur amount just like that. You can also edit the direction of the shadow. Let's use this direction, and you can also edit the intensity of the shadow just like that. And this is how to add a shadow in Canva. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.